Got a Benjamin 312 pellet rifle for sale. I've completely refinished this gun. Took it down to bare wood, restained it, repolyurethane, painted the barrel and air tube with a flat black, durable. It's like a professional level durable paint, and it's got clear coat over the top of it. A couple coats of clear coat for extra durability. It's been resealed. Shoots real strong. Not much else to say about it. I'll show you a couple shots here just to let you see how it works. I think this gun was made in the late 1940s, early 1950s. And 4 shots pretty much does it. It's pretty strong at 4 shots, or 4 pumps. Anyways, hopefully that helps you in your decision if you want to purchase it.